it's your girl Nicole. Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, thank you so much for clicking on my video. As you can see by the title, I'm going to be doing a makeup look for Valentine's Day. Or it could be any day, any date night, whatever you want to do. Whatever floats your boat, this is a good look. So if you want to know how I achieve this look, keep on watching for the next clip. See, I almost had a rhyme right there. I could be a rapper. I know you're like, no, okay. Okay, so as you can see, I'm starting off with my eyebrows already done and bare face. Then I'm going to start priming my face with my Laura Mercier foundation primer. Now I'm just going to use my Wet n Wild concealer to prime my eyes before I put my eyeshadow on. The shade is 842B, medium tawny. So next I'm using my Elle eyeshadow palette. I think I got this from either Marshall's or Kohl's. I like to try like different eyeshadows I see in store. Now I'm using my e.l.f. eyeshadow. I'm using the pink shade, as you can see. It's very pretty. So I decided I wanted to make the pink a little bit deeper, so I just took my single eyeshadow by Wet n Wild. Now I'm back to the Elle eyeshadow. I'm going to be using like a tannish shimmery color in near the crease. Now I'm going to use the pink again from the e.l.f. eyeshadow. Now I'm just using my liquid eyeliner by Wet n Wild. Okay, and my basic eyeliner pencil. I wanted to try the Max Volume Plus mascara by Wet n Wild this time, and it actually worked good with this look. I'm using my CoverGirl Queen Collection foundation. So here's a tip: if you ever run out of like contour, like your palette that you usually contour with, you can just use an eyeshadow that's darker than your usual. It does just as good. So as you can see, I kind of just do my own thing when it comes to contouring and highlighting. Like I just kind of feel where I want it to go and just go from there. So it's not no technique. I'm using my favorite highlighter, which is Laura Mercier. Like I really love this product. It's so good. Now I'm just using my lip liner, the shade 712 Willow by Wet n Wild. Then I'm going to use my liquid lipstick, which is a matte finish by Wet n Wild. It is the shade 926B, Berry Recognized. That's it for this video, you guys. I hope you all enjoyed watching it. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Turn that notification bell on down below so you can see me again whenever I post next. And I'm trying to think of a thing where like we have the Nicole family. I don't know, you know how people be like, yeah, subscribe, join my family. I don't know what it could be. If you have any ideas, please comment below or hit me up on my social medias. So it can be Nicole family, Nikki family, or if you got something else in mind, please tell me. So yeah, I'll catch you guys again in my next video. Bye.